By the end of today, you'll just be seeing lots of columns of numbers. And today is the big one. This is going to be quite a long session because there's a lot of calculations to look at. Feel free to pull out when your head is about to explode. So we'll be offering you a choice, and we have Mathcad and we have Excel, and we'll be delving into a little bit of both. And just a reminder, just because I'm showing you all these calculations in Mathcad doesn't mean I do all my calculations in Mathcad. I use the most appropriate tool for the job. One of the advantages of Mathcad is that it allows you to explain in detail the calculations long form. You're using Excel and you can hide a lot of the information in Excel, and that's why it makes it very difficult to check. By all means, use Excel when you're confident that the Excel sheet is doing what you think it's doing. If somebody else has written it, you should be asking, where is the validation for this Excel sheet?